I really hate that I don't have anything good, anything new with the vlog. Everything's so gloomy right now, and yeah, I'm concerned about the people I love. My mom who's in the Philippines, my sisters, and everyone else. Yeah, so I'll just give it a shot. Just listen to this. Hey guys, so today's been early. I was supposed to go out and like have an appointment with someone today, and yeah, my car won't start. So it's been doing that lately, but right now it's like I tried to run the car last night. It did run, but this morning it did not. So it's quite frustrating. And another thing is that I just saw the news that my one of my friends whom I was supposed to meet here. I think it was 2019 or somewhere then. I wasn't able to meet him here, but he passed away due to COVID, and we're all sad. And also, it's not that because it's more of it's been piling up. I have friends before, even my aunt, which is close to me, also passed away with COVID, and it's a lot. It's been piling up. I've been getting stressed lately with work. I mean, now with my studies, and I don't have work, and everything's been piling up. And I'm seeing all these fuckwits who's protesting for freedom, wherein when they do protest, they don't put a mask and they don't social distance, so they pass COVID around. So everybody's gonna have COVID, and we're gonna still stay in lockdown. So yeah, all those shits happening. I'm feeling that there's not much good coming in, and it's been frustrating. It's been down, bad weather outside, so like there's a lot of things that's been happening. But yeah, I'm still positive that yeah, this is gonna go better, and we're gonna be all better. And yeah, so I'm just asking everyone here is if you have people around you that you love, please tell them to take the jab. Please tell them to take care, and please tell them to stay at home if they can, so that they won't get COVID. And yeah, everyone will be okay. Also, to those people who have problems or who's not feeling good with their mental health, just like me, try to talk to people, talk to your friends, talk to your loved ones, tell them how you feel. Try to lessen the burden that you have right now. If it's hard, then yeah, you would need somebody to help you with it. You can't do it alone. If you did it before, yeah, it's just get help. Don't hesitate to. You can ask me. I'm not in a good position. Also, I'm not mentally healthy right now. I'm just so stressed, but I'd be willing to help. And with regards to helping you, that would make me feel better. That's gonna be good. But yeah, so just requesting everyone to yeah, just take care of everyone you love, and also take care of the people that you don't know. So try to social distance. Let's do everything that we can to make things better. And yeah, a lot of things in my mind, but yeah, I hope you guys take care and just be a good human being. I love you. Take care.